This video will give you a little bit of information on what it takes for us to get you onboarded and get the process started. So, what we need from anyone who signs up with us, very simple. You go and you get a credit report. Now, it has to have all three bureaus on there, so it would need to be from Identity IQ, Smart Credit, Credit Hero Score is the cheapest one we found, or there's a list of about 10 or 15 other ones that we can also use. Once you have this information and you've signed up, all you got to do is provide us the user ID and the password for it and some basic information, including your name, your address, your date of birth, the last four of your social, and a picture of your ID. Other than that, we take care of everything. We take care of everything. And by everything, I mean we mail letters day one. Within 24 hours, we're sending out your letters. And week three and week four, we follow it up with another set of letters. With full time credit repair, you get 9 letters in the month, and we continue to monitor your credit. Hopefully, this video helps you in the onboarding process. And now that you're starting your journey, I'm happy to be here and I'm happy to see you through. Thanks so much. Credit repair doesn't have to take forever. What we do that's different is we use a screen grab tool that looks like this to find all of the problems in your report. I'm just kind of going all over the place here, but let's say those three boxes where you're Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. I'm looking in those boxes to see how many errors I can find. I'm using that screen grab tool to circle them. So when we come in the first round with a bunch of markups, like you just saw, then the likelihood of getting things deleted is a lot higher. It doesn't need to take as long. It's not to say that it doesn't always go that fast. It sometimes goes longer, and so I don't know how long it can take. But usually it's pretty quick. It's just a case of staying on it